God, I forgot to feed my kitten! Kitty, here I come. Sorry for being a little late. Mom, Kitty! Kitty! Mohammed, Yaya, where are you all? Anybody saw my kitty?
Don't worry, Mariam. Don't cry. We will find him. It's okay. Come on, let's get up. Maybe under the bed. Let me search here in the shoes rack. Maybe behind the shoes. Oh no, he's not here either. Oh, poor Mariam, where your kitten went. Oh God, I am tired. Kitten, where are you?
The weather is so cold and the wind is so fast. I have to go and search for my kitty. I hope he is fine.
Mariam, it's too windy and it's getting dark.
No, nothing can stop me today from searching for my poor kitten.
Mariam, don't go. The wind is strong and you didn't wear your coats.
Mohammed, don't stop me.
You both go home and take care of Sulaiman. I will come. Oh my God, I found paw prints. Let me follow. Hope I will get to her before it's too dark. This far the kitten came. It's an old farm. Oh gosh, it's too windy. Hope I will find him or no. Oh no, I don't know if my kitten ate anything in this freezing weather. He must be so sad and hungry. Kitten, where you went? Please come back to me. Listen, Mariam is calling you. What sound is this? Hello? Is that you, Kitty? Hello? Do you listen me? Oh my God, I found you. So this was the reason you left us and came to your sister. Oh, Kitty, you are so kind. Oh, how much I missed you. I am so proud of you. You left home to help and rescue your sibling.
Welcome, kitties.
If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe for part 3.